Maghiwalay kayo. Beige. Not forever. Maghiwalay. Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's louisemcjagger again. We're here again for another episode ng recreations natin ng RuPaul's Drag Race Season 10. Okay, so last week's winner, which was episode 2, was The Vixen. So yun yung gagayahin natin today. I think the runway look was best runway look anyway. Guys, I won't make this too long like my other video. Let's get on to the tutorial. The look we're trying to achieve, the Vixen look, it's so fiery na look. So it's mixture of gold and a little bit of a tint of red. So yun yung challenge natin. Here's her photo. I hope you can see. So let's proceed. I don't think I'm gonna use tape today. Well, medyo malinis yun dito, pero hindi siya super winged out, just like Miss Mayhem's look. More of rounded yung look natin ngayon. So yun yung i-achieve natin. Again, as primer, I am going to use my favorite, yung RK Perfecting Concealer in Deep Beige. So, anyway, habang nag-apply ako, dal-dal tayo. We have a challenge today kasi medyo, hindi actually medyo eh. Meron kasing red na tinge sa may crease area, yung makeup look. So, that is our challenge. Dahil mahirap kasi maging common yung red na shadow. Mahirap siyang hanapin. I think mahirap siyang i-formulate. Plus, it's not something you usually use sa lids kasi parang red kasi magmumukha kang may allergy or something. Kaya it's not really that used pagdating sa eyeshadow. But, dahil gusto nating magawa ang look na ito, yun ang challenge natin. So, I'm gonna use this Detail Makeover Autumn Eyeshadow Palette. And I'm gonna use the shade Aster. I'm just gonna use it to set yung concealer kanina. Set lang natin yung concealer para mas madaling mag-blend ng shadows. Gagawin ko just so I can get the eye shape that I'm looking for. Carve out lang natin yung shape. Ang plan ko kasi is from dito. So, ipapaikot lang natin siya. Tapos, rounded off yung shape niya na mag-meet dito sa nose bridge na pepekein na naman natin mamaya. Around off. Nakalat ng kamay ko. Good thing with this is, pwede mo naman siyang ayusin, kumbaga. Kung hindi mo tayo. This is just a guide, guys. So, just get a color na most likely malapit-lapit sa skin tone mo. Pero, makikita mo pa rin. Hindi naman super color ng skin tone. Basically, yun yung gagawin natin siya. Hindi naman na, again, yung concept ng look natin is hindi para super gayahin yung look ni Vixen. But more of gawin natin siya na medyo inspired lang by the Queen's look. Okay. And, so, before ako mag-proceed dun sa darker na shades, I'll just use, balik ulit tayo, okay? Ecru Squad, ginamit ko last time. Eyeshadow palette, and let's use the color Pecan, this one. So, medyo grayish siya. Just get a blending brush. Sundan nyo lang yung ginawa nating guideline kanina sa taas nun. Just follow that. Parang i-blend out lang natin siya na medyo mas cool. Don't worry about these corners dahil hindi pa tayo nagpa-foundation. Well, nalilinis pa natin yan. Kaya hindi na ako nag-tape sa eyes. Yung dito kasi sa outer corner na parang transition shade niya. Red yung color niya. And I was trying to look for a red shadow, red powder, red na blush. Wala talaga. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. I don't think I lean towards red. I thought of using liquid lipstick. But the thing with liquid lipstick is, nahirapan akong i-blend out siya. So, today, challenge natin ang sarili natin. Dahil so far, I can blend this out. So, we are going to use a lip tint. O, diba? Bongga, lip tint na medyo blendable. Again, this is Colourette lip tint. Yan. I was hoping na meron akong mas red na shade dito, but ito na yung pinaka-red ko. Try natin siyang i-work out. Pero so far, hanggang dun lang yung red na kaya kong ibigay sa inyo, guys. Nagla-lighten up naman to pagdating sa application. Medyo nagla-lighten up siya. So, it's essential that you use a synthetic brush kasi liquid product to. So, ang gagawin ko first is I'm gonna apply it at the back of my hand and then kuha ako gamit yung brush and then apply it dito lang sa outer corner. Nahirapan ako dun sa brush. So, I'll use a different brush and I'll try to apply it. Apply ko yung tint directly dito. Vegan naman to eh. So, dito lang. 3 dots. I'll use this blending brush na medyo mas manipis. So, another brush. Basta synthetic yung brush na ginagamit ko. And then, diffuse this. In fairness talaga dito kay Colourette. No? Sobrang, wala. Parang ang versatile ng products nila. So, pwede mo siya i-blend out. So, yan. Nakuha natin yung red. Reddish na tone. And yes, umaabot yan dito. Pero konti lang. Blend lang talaga, guys. Mapapalaban ka sa blend kasi syempre tint to. Pero clean up tayo later. Darkan na natin. Start na natin i-build up yung dark na color. So let's get Pecan again from the Ecru squad. Kunin mo lang yung edge nun. Careful lang not to overlap yung red na ginawa natin kanina. Hindi natin makuha ng super perfect yung eye shape na ginawa natin. But at least we tried, diba? We're trying to make this fit for our eye shape also without compromising yung inspiration natin. Darker tayo. We're gonna be using a black color. This is the Ecru palette again. And this is in Anderon. Black lang. Use any black that you want. Sundan lang natin yung ilalim ng ginawa natin. Just be careful. Yung ilalim, okay lang, I remember. Pero yung ibabaw, just be careful. Gamitin na lang yung brush na ginamit natin kanina for the transition. Tapos diffuse lang ng konti. Konti lang. Get Pecan. Yun yung ginamit natin na shade. Tapos diffuse lang yung edges. Kanina yung pinaproblema ko yung red na shade. Doon pa pala ako nadalian. Okay. So, nakuha na natin yung medyo mad na eye look. So, kuha ulit ako ng concealer. And we're just gonna clean it up with a flat brush and then pat on lang dun sa parts na i-clean up. Yung ilalim ng black na shadow. Agad, kunin ko yung pinang-set natin kanina na shade, which is Aster from the Autumn Eyeshadow palette. So, set lang natin agad. Okay, before everything else, maglalagay muna ako ng brown because I need a guide. Sayang kasi nag-clean up na tayo eh. So, kailangan ko ng guide para hindi OA yung hindi ako lalagpas dun sa gagawin ko kasi magpa-black tayo na lid. I'm gonna use the Autumn Eyeshadow palette. And I'm gonna use the color Opal. This is a dark din to. Pero, dark brown lang siya. This one. This is Opal. So, dahan-dahan lang tayo mag-apply. Pero, ang technique na gagawin natin is from the inner corner to the arch of your brows. Yun yung gagawin natin. Hindi natin kailangan ng triangle, ng protractor para makuha tong angle na to. We just have to find 4 points of the face. Pero, i-envision nyo din na when you close your eyes, kung ano yung nagiging look mo. So, what we're gonna do is, pag in-open mo yung eyes mo, just look for like, kung saan yung magiging straight line from the middle papunta dito sa black na part. Kasi connect mo lang siya. Ayan. Then, na-create na natin yan. But the next step that we're gonna do is apply yung black na lang. So, we're gonna use Anderon again, yung black na shade. And, what we're gonna do is we're going to wet our brush. Gawin ko is, I'm gonna get shadow first. And then, I'm gonna spray it. Konti lang. So, apply dun sa part na nilagyan natin ng brown cake. Okay guys, I am back. So ayan, meron na tayo, okay, yung eyes natin, na-startan na natin, and medyo malapit na siya dun sa completed look natin. I already put on my kilay and my foundation. Yung kilay ko, medyo mas ninipisan ko para ma-accentuate yung dito sa part, yung may red na part. Tapos, konting touch-ups lang ulit. And then, I already chiseled my face. Hanggang dyan na lang ang pag-chisel ng face ko. Hanggang dyan na lang yung kaya ko. Yung next level dyan, Photoshop na. And hindi na natin gagawin yun. Yun. Next step na gagawin natin is yung under eye na part. So, medyo crucial lang to kasi, well, buo na kasi yung face natin So, I don't want to ruin the face anymore. So, ang gagawin natin is just get translucent powder. Kuha lang ako nun. And then, I'll get kahit anong sponge, regular sponge. Lagay ko lang dito sa ilalim ng eyes. Apply a thick layer of protection. Anyway, kuha na tayo ng shadow. So, dun kasi sa look, I think she used a black shadow underneath. Pero since yung gagawin natin is medyo mas wearable ng konti yung look and medyo artsy na kasi yung eyes natin So, gagawin ko is yung dark brown lang from, again, yung autumn eyeshadow na palette. Yung color na opal, yung ginamit natin kanina dun sa eyes before natin patungan ng black. So, I'll use that color lang. Tapos, apply ko lang siya dun sa lower lash. Start tayo sa gitna, papunta sa dulo. Diffuse lang. Tapos, pagdating dito sa part na to, wag kadikit ng inner corner. Medyo, from the middle, medyo straight line lang. Alright. So, autumn eyeshadow palette. Kukunin natin itong right na color. This one. Gold siya na color. Tapos yun yung gagamitin natin dun sa inner corner and dito, sa ilalim nung crease. And slowly lang. Then, dun sa ilalim nung ginawa natin na crease, lalagay natin tong gold na shade. Okay, we finished the eye look. Ayan na siya. And then, we're gonna apply our blush. Medyo reddish yung blush niya. And the only reddish blush that I have is this one. This is from Milani, yung baked blushes nila. This is in red Vino. So, medyo may glow siya. Ang gagamitin kong yung blush niya medyo malapit sa cheeks. So, yun yung apply natin. Dab lang. Konti lang, guys, kasi super pigmented nitong blush na to. And then, dito lang. Apples lang. Ayan. And then, final touch, ang ating lips. Ang lips niya medyo purpley na corally. And again, this isn't wearable. So, what we're gonna do, we're gonna do our own style. Again, this is Maybelline Coral Crush. Yun yung lalagyan natin sa center. And then, we're gonna apply, ang favorite ko, again, Detail Makeover Lippie Liner in Ralph, dito sa outer. Unahin natin to, and then lip liner.
Cover girl, put the bass in your walk, head to toe, let your whole body talk. Cover girl.
Okay guys, so ito na ang ating finished look. I just put on some lashes and some mascara. And, yan. Do you guys like it? So, kamusta naman? Kamusta? Kamusta? Finished look natin. Again, thank you guys for watching and I hope na-enjoy nyo to. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share this video if you think that it's helpful and if you think other people might like it too. Please follow me on my Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter pages, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye, guys!